Storage cards and USB storage are the two options that you can use to expand your storage on the Xbox Series X or S. With storage cards being the fastest option because it uses proprietary technology to get those fast speeds, especially for games that are Xbox Series X and S compatible. Also, you can put Xbox 360 games, Xbox One games, and Xbox Original games on it as well too. You can actually set this as your default location for installing if you don't want to use the internal storage as well. Now, this is going to be the most expensive of the options, but it is going to be the most convenient option compared to USB storage being the more affordable option with many more different options, because you can use storage drives up to 16 terabytes and there are a ton of options out there to choose from. And you get the ability to play Xbox One games, 360 games, and original Xbox One games right off the drive, and you can have them installed there by default into that location as well too. Now, you can put Series X and Series S games on the drive, but you're not going to be able to play off of them. Now, there is a little bit of caveat to that because there is some optimized Series S and X games that are older games that have been optimized for it that do have the ability to play off of there, but we'll deal with that in a future video to kind of show you that. But for the most part, you probably want to put those games on the internal storage anyways to get the fast load times and the most optimal gaming with it, which is pretty important to understand which storage is the right storage in this situation, because you have all those Game Pass games that you want to download, and in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to find all of them.